Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Enough Secrets. Um, Today I would like to thank all those people who have subscribed my channel, who have watched my tarot reading, and who also gives me a beautiful share button, right? And also like button. And for those people who have joined new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and I hope this tarot reading is going to guide you. If you like my channel, please hit the share button, subscribe it, and also like it. Okay, so and for those people who are watching my channel but at the same time they are not subscribing it or not giving me a like button, please do so. It's going to give us a good boost, right? So it's going to help us to do more and more reading further. So like today's reading is going to be for Sagittarius. Okay, this reading is going to be for the month of September. So as I normally do is I say a little bit about the zodiac sign. So let me tell about Sagittarius. Sagittarius are for those people who are born from November 22nd to December 21st. Okay, so the personality of these people are, they have a quest for knowledge. They want to gather knowledge every now and then. They want to learn something new, they want to discover something new. So these are the traits of sorry, not traits, personality of Sagittarius, right? They're very passionate, they're very curious, adaptability. In whichever place you take them, they adapt themselves, whether it's a very a very comfortable place, whether it's a place where they have to adapt to that environment, they do it very fast. So, okay, and they're very intellectual people, very spiritual also sometimes. And yes, some traits of Sagittarius are, they are sometimes very harsh with their word, and they're not they are a little bit unreliable, and they love to boast about themselves a lot. So, like sometimes you call it as a blow your own trumpet. So that's what happens, they do. So anyway, so these were the personality and traits of Sagittarius. So let's see, like, how is it going to be for you for the month of September. I'm sure for some sector of people, August might have been a very, very beautiful month, or for some it might not have been so good. It might have been so. Let's hope that this new month is going to bring us a ray of hope from all the four sides. Okay, so I'm just going to touch everything little by little: your finance, your relationship, and any new jobs, any new business, growth, so travel, whatever the tarot is going to give me a guidance, I'm going to just share those things with you. Okay, so let's see. So everyone, whoever wants to get connected to the gods or goddesses, please take their name and chant their name within yourself. Okay, so let's see. So for the month of September, can you just please give me reading for the month of September for Sagittarius? Okay. Don't worry if you can't see the cards. I'm just going to lift one by one and show you the card. Okay, so there's nothing to, even if the cards are not that visible to you, I'll just lift the card and show you. Okay. So anyone who would love to have a personal reading with me, or who wants to get a proper reading, so you can contact me via email, or there is a phone number given, so you can just contact me through calls or through WhatsApp, so that you fix an appointment, and that particular day I'll do a personal reading via video call. Okay, that reading will be more specific because we are going to get connected with your energy individually. So this is basically a general reading, so only, like, like few sectors, different sectors of people's readings are going to come out here. Okay, it's not going to be for one person individually. Okay, let's cross our finger and see what's there. Oh wow, great. Okay. September month for Sagittarius is going to become a very, very fruitful month. Okay, so these month you're going to gain lot of things, and you're going to be on a very high spirit of happiness. Okay, whether you call it from a family sector, whether you call it from your friends, whether you call it from your relationship, so it's going to be a very, very happy month for you. Okay, in all these sectors. It's not going to be something very upsetting, like maybe in June, July, or August, some things were not good in your life. So all those part are going to be like healed, and you're going to become a very, very happy person. Okay. So now there's a stuck up card out here for Sagittarius. I don't know why this stuck up card is there. So for few sectors of Sagittarius, zodiacs and people, you have to come out of that particular phase of life where you are not being able to let go of things which are of no use to you. Okay. So until and unless you don't try to let go of those particular things out of your life, you're not going to be successful. Okay. So try to just sit and think, like what are the things that is bothering you a lot, and you're not being able to share those things with anyone else, neither are you being able to tackle it out. So my suggestion is that, just sit for a while, evaluate whatever things you're going through, and try to come out that stuck up zone. Just tighten up your belt and come out of that stuck up zone. Okay, so there's a very good five of swords cards. So five of swords cards are, you are going to cut off all the difficult moments of your life, and you're going to come out of it like a warrior. Okay, so you are facing a lot of trouble from past many months. It's not that maybe some kind of financial issue, or some kind of cases, or some kind of family issue. So all those problems which was bothering you mentally, physically, and financially, all those sectors, you are going to come out like a warrior. Okay, so there is another card, that is King of Swords. King of Swords is a very, very strong card, a very, very strong character. Is basically for those people who are really strong. So your character is going to be like King of Swords. You're going to, like cut off every difficulties that's going to come on your way, whether it has got to do a partnership, whether it's got to do with partners, whether it's got to do with your enemies. So you're going to get a success out of it. Okay, so you're going to just like you are going to win your battle. You're going to take a stand and you're going to win a battle. Okay, so there are a lot of fighting and lot of cases, lot of issues that you will face in the month of September, but you are going to get a success. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about it. Anyway, I'm going to open this card a little bit later on. Yeah, I can see a lot of swords. I don't know, it looks like Sagittarius are ready to go for a battle. Okay, so there is another Page of Swords card. Okay, so like I told you, like you have been fighting your battle right from your childhood days, right? So it has not been very easy for you. There are certain times in your teenagers or in your childhood that you had to leave lot of people behind and come forward. Okay, so you have been slotting people out of your life. You might have been into n number of relationships which did not work out. You just, whichever relationship did not give you a very a, whichever relationship was not meant for you. Okay, you have just slotted them out, you have just cut them off from your life. And those people who have cheated you, or those people who were not there with you, so you are just cutting them off. You have been doing this from a very, very young day. So but in September, you're going to win the battle. Okay, so you're going to win your battle, you're going to come out like a warrior. So definitely there's a beautiful like Ace of Swords card. So this is a basically a success. So that's what your card is, full of swords. Okay, I don't know, like it looks like I'm seeing for some sector of people who are warrior. Okay, they're fighting the battles. Okay, so Ace of Swords are basically a success card. Okay, so definitely there is going to be some sort of new beginning in your life, and this beginning is going to be really nice, because I can see a judgmental card. Okay, a judgment card is like so many years or so many months you have been suffering for a certain kind of decision making. So that decision making is going to be from your side. Okay, it's going to take your side, and the decisions will be a success for you. So you're going to get a success in all the field. So yeah, and then you want to you want to be into a character of a fool. A fool is a person who does not want to have a lot of botheration in life. They just want to live a life, live a life, a beautiful life with no stress, no tension, nothing. You want to go about, you want to enjoy your life, you want to see a proper, a proper life where you can enjoy everything. It should not be a struggle, it should not be a fighting, it should not be running about. So you just want to enjoy your life. So that particular phase is going to start from the month of September. So September is going to be a new beginning for few sector of people. They are going to come out of all the troubles of their life. It's a very, very beautiful card. Okay, so yes, and apart from that, I told you, like, you want to come into character of a fool. At the same time, you have Three of Cups, where there's a lot of meeting people, parties, going around, having an enjoyment time, traveling to different places, so you are going to have a proper rest time for yourself. You're going to really, really enjoy yourself. So many people, who have been troubling, you were under trouble for a lot of things. You have been facing a lot of cases. You have been fighting around. You have been having discussions in your families. Nothing was working out for you in the month of July and August, but September is going to be end of everything, and it's going to be a beautiful, a month which is going to give a lot of new beginning in your life. Okay, and this clearly shows that you're going to win your battle in all the field. Yeah, so finally, the card which I always wait is the finance card. That is the king of, Knight of Pentacles. So, you are going to get a good money flow also. Maybe like for certain sector of people, there have been money blockages. So that money blockages are going to be removed. And very soon, you are going to see a good flow of money in your life. Okay. So definitely, as I told you, that I want to clear this card. That is... uh, just let me clear out the stuck up card. Okay, like Eight of Swords, where you feel very, very, very suffocated. So I just want to clear that card. Angels, please help me to clear the card. Eight of Swords. Why is this Eight of Swords card here? Okay, why is this Eight of Swords card here a stuck up card? So I just want to clarify this card and get a very clear reading about it. Why is this card shown in Sagittarius tarot reading? Okay, so let's see. Oh my God. Oh, great. Okay, so for like those people, who were struggling, maybe some people are also undergoing a divorce case or something like that, and that is going to be successful because there's also a judgment card. But yes, you are carrying some kind of burden of a relationship or a marriage or some kind of problems that you're facing it from many years. So that is going to be an end. Okay, so finally you are going to take that burden out, and you're going to fight your battle out, and you're going to come out in a very happy zone. Okay, and there are some few people who are thinking about the marriage, or they're thinking about to settle their life. Yes, there is a beautiful marriage card, so you can go forward with it. But if for those sector of people, who are feeling very stuck up in life due to the marriage issue, maybe their marital life is not going on well, so they will finally speak to the partners and tell them, like, what is worrying them. So probably to improve your relationship, you might go forward for some kind of marriage counseling, or you might like sit with your partners and sort out your problems. So that is going to really let your problems like solve. So let me see. So another card I want to pull is Ace of Swords. Oh, okay, okay. So probably like things that once you had started something, okay, and in that maybe a business or maybe a work where you had a backstabbing in this. So probably you are going to come out of that zone, and something new beginning is going to happen. Some kind of female, the Empress is a female. Okay, it's a female character who's going to help you out. And probably any business, maybe any kind of business or any kind of new venture you're going to start together, which is going to be very fruitful. Okay, so if anyone is trying to tie up with their families or friend, and in which there is a woman involved in it who wants to do something, please go for the partnership and start working on it. But like, don't, if for few sector of people, if you have been backstabbed for a certain partnership, please leave that partner and go for someone new. Okay, even if you want to do something, go for something new, because there's a backstabbing card. So in past days, you have, whenever you had done any partnership, there has been a very, very backstabbing on you. So you have to be careful that there should be no betrayal card. Okay, so overall the card is good for Sagittarius. There's a very happy month for you, September. A lot of success. Whatever battle you are fighting in the court or at home or relationships, you know, all those issue will be solved. You're going to come out like a warrior. Yes, there is a page of swords where right from small to childhood to teenagers you have always been fighting your battle. So there's also a new beginning in your card, Ace of Swords. So this also tells in the past like you had started something in which your partners have betrayed you, but at the same time in the month of September or end of September you might meet up someone with whom you might start a new venture or a new business, and that is going to be really really fruitful. Okay, so you are going to, now you see all the troubles of your life are going to be settled. You are going to be a settled person. You know, it's not going to be like at the time where you were into so much into trouble. So now all those things are going to be sorted out, and basically September is going to be a rest time for you. So you know, like fighting your battles, coming out of it. From mid of September you will get all good news. Okay, Sagittarius, so this was the reading, and I'm sure this guidance is going to help you. And if anyone wants a personal reading, please get in touch with me via my number and phone number or WhatsApp, or you can email me, right? So as I've always told, oh, I've always told you people that I'm a true believer of angels. You know, I really take a lot of help of angels whenever I do any tarot reading, or even when I do reading for myself. So I always take a guidance of angel, right? So angel, you know, reading always protects us and it gives us a beautiful guidance. So let's see what angels have the message for Sagittarius people. Angels, please guide me and give me a proper message for Sagittarius people. Okay, so beginning, like I told you, there are a lot of new beginnings in your life. Okay, so now let's see what is written. Life is a series of cycles and a time of rebirth. It indicates for you this may mean a new phase in a relationship, the germination of fresh idea, of a developing of qualities in your like laughter, light, or hope. It may it may be a total change. Okay, so do not be afraid to let go of the families, for the new cannot enter until the old worn out has departed. So your angel guidance is to accept the new, for a be will will be welcome when it arrives. So birth is a valuable time. The fragile life force needs to be protected and nurtured with you. So ask the angels to guide the new beginning in your life and safety to maturity. So definitely see, for Sagittarius people, I've told you that there are going to be a lot of new beginnings in your life. Okay, so whatever difficult moments that you people have gone through till now are just going to slowly be, you know, like the knots are going to be unwinded slowly. So slowly you're going to get success, and at the end of September you will find that your life has become such beautiful and meaningful. So that is what the angels are also telling. So please don't you know, keep grudges among people, among your family or your friend. If there are times that you have to let go, like there is a stuck up card, so you know, talking out, letting go of those people from your life is going to be a beautiful changes. Okay, so let's hope that September is going to be well for you, Sagittarius. Hope to get connected to you soon. So thanks for watching my tarot reading, and if you like my channel, please hit a like button, subscribe and share. Thank you.